Good morning, April 4, 2025. This is my task this morning. To clean this photo albums. I know outdated na sila kasi meron na tayong FB social media na makikita natin lahat ng mga pictures, and we have already come pwede na direct to the persons who love us, who like to receive from us. Pero ito, I don't know if in the future matanggal pa ba ang mga digitals. I really do not know, but this is only for the people in the future or now na mga apo, mga anak ko na hindi pa nila nakita lahat ito. I think they shall appreciate this, even of my sisters who made this. They will really love this. See them again in photo album, not in media. Thank you very much for watching.